In the evening, I always think what to make at dinner. Today I have some fresh lady's finger or bhindi. So come let's make the bhindi. First wash properly the bhindi and then pat it dry. Next cut in your choice of size. Here I heat up some mustard oil, approx 2 tablespoons of mustard oil I heat up, then add some kalonji or black cumin seed. Next add the previously cut bhindi or lady's finger. Add salt according to your taste and fry it very well. Here I make some spices, add chili, ginger, garlic and half of onion into the blender and blend it out and cut half onion. Here my paste is also ready and here the bhindi is also done. So take it out the fried bhindi. In the same pan add a teaspoon of oil and add the onions here. Add salt according to your taste, but don't forget that you add salt in fried bhindi. Here I took some curd or dahi. Here I add the masala paste I made before, and next I add dry spices powder like cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder along with some Kashmiri red chili powder for color. Guys, if you like my videos, please support me. Do like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Fry the masala or spices until the oil is removed. Don't forget to add sweetener. You can use sugar, you can use gur. I fry the spices along with some water and here the all oil is removed and the masala or spices is all done. Next add the well whisked curd or dahi. When you adding the curd, don't forget to sim the gas. Mix everything very well. And let it boil for some times. This is totally optional. Here I am adding some roasted gram flour powder or roasted besan. This roasted gram flour powder or besan can thicken the gravy and give a wonderful aroma to the gravy. Lastly, add the fried bhindi and boil it for 5 minutes and you can add water according to your gravy quantity. So my dahi masala bhindi is ready. I'm gonna serve it with roti. Let me know, do you like this recipe or not? Do try this recipe at your home. I am finishing this recipe adding some coriander leaves. And that is it for my today's video. I'll meet you in another video another time.